back to What's Cooking at HEPL. Today we are going to be cooking soft and chewy gingerbread people from America's Test Kitchen's The Perfect Cookie. The first thing we're going to do is process our dry ingredients. So I have 3 cups flour, and 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, baking soda, salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. Now I'm just going to blend this together. Now I am going to add 12 tablespoons melted butter, 3/4 cup of molasses, and 2 tablespoons milk. Now we're just going to blend that together. So now it's all mixed together. I just need to knead it for about 20 seconds, then divide it in half, wrap it in plastic, and put it in the refrigerator. So I made this dough last night, so it's been in the refrigerator about 18 hours. We are going to roll it to about a 1/4 inch thickness between 2 sheets of parchment paper. It sounds easier than it actually is. I have 2 cookie cutters, a regular gingerbread person and a ninja gingerbread person. So now I'm going to cut out some cookies. Now I'm going to put these on our cookie tray, which we've lined with parchment paper. Now we're going to bake for 9 to 11 minutes on 350 degrees. We let them cool for 10 minutes and then put them on a plate. If you like, you can decorate for icing, but they're ready to eat.